Guys, I'm gonna show you how I transform this ordinary tank top to this cute little bra. So keep watching.
Anything you want, baby, just for you, baby. I'm so in love with your ways.
Okay, so I'm cutting it across. You can use a ruler to help you, but I drew a line across so I know where I'm going.
For your waist, yo, now. For your waist, yo, le, 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 le. For your waist, yo, now. Yes, I love it when we dance, baby. When you whine on me.
Okay, and the excess piece from the bottom, I'm using a bit of it so I can make like a big ribbon for the top of the bra.
Girl, I'll take a plane for your waist to spend the day with your waist. Anything you want, baby.
And here, instead of making it look like too plain, I cut the ends in like in a triangle shape, so it looked a bit more cute.
Bring that thing back up on me. We go jam. Bring that thing back for me, please. We go jam, yeah. What the hell are you waiting for? You're wasting a different league. We go jam. Love what you're doing to me. We go jam, yeah. For your waist, yo. Le, 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 le. For your waist, yo. Now. For your waist, yo. Le, 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 le. For your waist, yo. Now. Yes, I love it.
And then I cut the strap from the back so I can use it to tie around my neck.
Dance, baby. When you whine, baby. Let we dance, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll buy you the bar for your waist, so spend me money.
And then I stretch it a bit, and then I take it and tie it around the front of the top.
Pull up the tune for your waist, anything you want, baby.
So yeah, this is how it looks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.